Welcome friends to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you unboxing of Evoo 11.6 tablet with docking keyboard. So this is very nice tablet for you, and it can be used as a laptop as well as a tablet. So I will give you the features about this. So it is 11.6 tablet with docking keyboard. Uh, it is come up with Windows 10 Home Basic Edition. Then inside this it is having quad-core processor. Then it is 32 GB of a storage, SSD available. Then front and rear facing cameras are available with this. Then we have expandable storage. So there are two types we can expand the storage. One is by using a SD card, and second by using a USB storage as well. And with this you will get 1 month free subscription for Office 365. So you can use Word, Office, Excel, PowerPoint for 1 month free subscription. It is come up with Windows 10 feature, so it's very good thing. And processor inside this is an Intel. So we'll see in detail features of this now. So I will turn this back. Okay, so it's having display facility of 11.6, and the display is full HD. So resolution is 1920 by 1080p. So it's a full HD IPS panel display is available. You can use this as a tablet as well as a keypad laptop, so with a keyboard and all. Operating system, it comes with licensed version of Windows 10 Home Basic. Battery is 8000 milliampere hour, so very good battery, and lithium ion polymer battery is available, so battery backup is very good. With this, the processor, it's having Intel Cherry Trail processor of Z8350. It's a quad-core processor, and the speed is up to 1.92 gigahertz. So for basic operations like we can use it for mailing, then basic calculations and all we can do with this very fast. The storage, it's having 32 GB of SSD inbuilt. So memory, RAM, it's having a 2 GB of RAM. Expandable slot, we have SD card as well as we have USB for this. So you can use any SD card up to 1 terabyte it supports. Front and rear camera, it's having 0.3 megapixel of front, and rear camera is of 2 megapixel. It supports wireless connectivity as Bluetooth 4.0 as well as a Wi-Fi. So you can connect with Wi-Fi. So it supports with 2 Wi-Fi facility range, either 2.4 as well as 5 gigahertz. Then for the connections, it supports one HDMI. So it's having micro HDMI inbuilt, USB 2.0 for USB connection, and there is another micro USB connector is also available to connect a micro USB. So this is about features of this tablet cum laptop. Okay, now we'll unbox this. So I'll open the box. So it's a black color. So very first thing, you'll get instruction manual in this, Windows license guide and instruction manual. So we'll check out what is there inside. Okay, so there's a product information guide, product user guide available. So how to turn on and everything, power, volume, keys and all. So these things are available in this, how to register this. Then there are different options for resetting and shutdown available in this. Okay, so I'll keep it aside. With this box, it might be a charger. So you check. Yes, it is charger. Okay, so it is US type charger available, and the rating of this particular charger is it supports input is 100 to 240 volts and output is 5 volt with 3000 milliampere. Okay, so it's a 5 volt charger only, and there is a small charger pin available. We can connect it directly to the tablet. I will keep it aside. Now We'll take it out. So it's nicely wrapped. So I'll take out the paper. Okay. I will keep the box aside. Okay, so this side is 11.6 inch. The logo is printed on the top, and the identification marks are given. Here it is a DC input. Then here it is a HDMI connector. Then here it is a USB available. So we can have volume plus and minus, and turn on button is available here. And on this side we have micro SD slot and headphone jack available. Okay. Alright, so I will tilt and show you. Here it is 3.5 mm jack, micro SD slot available. We can directly put a SD card inside it. There are the speakers available. On this particular side we have here a micro USB, then we have HDMI and the DC input, then again we have a speaker slots, and there is one USB. Okay, this USB is 2.0 USB, and on this particular side we have volume and power on button. Okay, now I will open this and turn on. Okay, very nice keypad. Okay, so I have opened this. So I'm going to turn on this. So it's having a keypad here. Okay, so keyboard is available. So there is no numpad, so small keypad. Also there is a trackpad available, so you can use left click, right click from here itself. And then this is 11.6 inch screen. It's having a full HD of a screen. Now I can turn on. The turn on button is available here. So I press this. Okay, once I turn on, it displays the Evoo logo. Then turn on light is available. Also the on signal is available on the keypad. So it's preloaded with Windows. So it's booting up Windows. So it's very fast. So I have already pre-configured this. Okay, so I'm going to click on enter, and it's having a touchpad as well. So you can put the password through a touch inputs from here as well, because you can use this as a tab as well as you can use this as a laptop. Okay. Alright, so very good thing. So I will show you the memory. So this is about input Windows. I'll close this. I'll open my PC. Very good touch sensitivity. It's having 32 GB of Windows C. Then we can insert any of the USB at this particular USB port. Okay, so another feature about this is you can eject this as a tab. So I will eject and show you. Okay, so once you have to hold this, so this is a tab now. Okay, it will automatically switch to the tablet mode. You have to click just S. So this will switch to a tablet mode. Once you click anywhere, the automatic keypad will pop up. Automatic keyboard will pop up on the screen. So we can type anything here. We can delete backspace my computer. Okay, so like this we can do. Okay, so alright. So this is about the features about this.